Alright, today we're going to bring a solder stick wire connectors, and now these are perfect if you're going to solder stuff. And this comes with 450. Alright, now they have various sizes. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see the various colors for different voltages and different things that you want to connect to. They have very small to the largest one. So today we're actually going to solder something. We're going to put it together right now. If you guys can see, we already soldered, so we're just going to go ahead and melt the actual connectors together and see how well it works. So you could do this with a lighter too, but I'm gonna use a heating gun, so we're gonna set it out the proper way. But you get 450 color coordinations, different degrees, different angles, and it tells you some instructions here how to connect them and how to marry them together, right? So let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. All right, we got a connector here if you guys can see it. So we're gonna dangle it here, hands free. Go ahead and get the gun going. I should do it. It did it very well. It sealed everything in there. You can see the colors coming out, popping out now, so that you can see the actual dye. It's a little hot, so I'm not going to touch it right now, but this is going to make it water sealed, protect any kind of wiring that you're going to do. And of course, this is for our LED lights that we're working on, some little project I'm doing. But works very well, easy to use, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy the video.